Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling participants and locking the environment. First, invite your friends through the friends list and have them accept. Make sure everyone is in the same squad or party so spawn sync works. Next, select test flight as the match type and pick arcade, realistic, or simulator that matches your group's goal. This avoids mismatched flight models. Once done, configure server region and set the session to private so only invited players join. This reduces lag variables and interruptions. You now define the experimental variables so tests are meaningful. Start by deciding on aircraft, tiers, and specific loadouts. This keeps results comparable. Then adjust environment settings like weather, time of day, and fuel or ammo limits to reflect the scenarios you want to test. Consistency matters. Once set, toggle advanced options such as player collision, decals, and friendly fire if you need realistic interactions. Make sure everyone confirms settings. Inconsistent options will invalidate data and waste time. You perform the test runs with disciplined recording and clear coordination. Have one person call start and stop while others execute the same maneuvers. Record altitude, speed, weapon effects, and timestamps so you can compare. Between runs, debrief quickly and adjust one variable at a time to isolate causes. If someone has connection trouble or desync, ask them to relog, check NAT/port settings, or switch the session to a different server region. This usually resolves the most common multiplayer issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.